At the Laurel project, we are creating Ethereum tools for volunteer-led projects. If you are not in Ethereum for the easy money, say hi and continue to watch today's demo. We are adding collaborative capabilities to our editor component. This means you can build and customize collaborative IDEs from our web platform, like this low-level EVM IDE. There are currently 2 people on this document, logged with their Ethereum address, doing pair programming. And now we can test and run the new contract version.